As far as technology goes, it can come in all shapes and sizes, formulations, and advancements to everyday activities. In this case, we'll be looking at one of the more dishwashing and laundry-specific technologies, detergent packs. Dishwasher detergent packs, also known as pods, packs, or tabs, are a convenient and easy-to-use option for cleaning dishes in a dishwasher. They are pre-measured and pre-packaged, eliminating the need for measuring out detergent or worrying about using too much or too little. In this video, we'll take a look at pros and cons of detergent packs versus traditional detergent. When it comes to comparing dishwasher detergent packs to traditional detergents, there are a few key differences to consider. Convenience. Dishwasher detergent packs are incredibly convenient to use. They are pre-measured and pre-packaged, eliminating the need for measuring out detergent or worrying about using too much or too little. Traditional detergents, on the other hand, require measuring and pouring, which can be messy and time-consuming. Effectiveness. Both dishwasher detergent packs and traditional detergents are generally considered to be effective at cleaning dishes. Both contain the same types of cleaning agents and enzymes and should be able to remove food debris and stains from dishes. Cost. Dishwasher detergent packs can be more expensive per load than traditional detergents. However, the convenience factor may be worth the added cost for some consumers. Environmental impact. Dishwasher detergent packs can be more problematic than traditional detergents when it comes to the environment. The plastic packaging that the detergent packs are often encased in can be difficult to recycle, and the small size of the packs can make them easy to lose or drop, potentially leading to pollution. Additionally, some studies have shown that the ingredients in dishwasher detergent packs can have negative effects on aquatic life if they are not fully dissolved before entering the water supply. Traditional detergent is also not eco-friendly as it is mostly packaged in plastic bottles, but they are recyclable. Dishwasher detergent packs offer convenience but are more expensive and can be more environmentally problematic compared to traditional detergents. It's important to weigh the pros and cons and consider your personal preferences when deciding which type of detergent to use. That's our overview and thoughts on detergent packs or pods. We hope you got some value from this video and hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.